Laura Basic Tease here, and today I'm going to show you how to put a gather underneath the bust line or on the shoulder to make a puffy on your sleeve. So let's take a look. You're going to pin where you're going to do the gather. So we're going to gather in between these marks, and I'm going to straight stitch across right here to create a gathering stitch. With your straight stitch machine, you want to make a longer stitch so that you can pull it through. So I've just put it like right on the end of the pressure foot, and I'm going to straight stitch it all the way through to the other pin. Make sure your needle's up. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to give it a little bit longer thread. So now that I've sewn from pin to pin, I'm going to remove the pins, and I am going to make sure that I separate the bottom thread from the top thread, because sometimes they get tangled. And you're just going to hold on to the bottom thread, and you're going to pull it, and you're going to create that gathering stitch. So this is going to be the under part of the bust on a shirt, or it's going to be the sleeve of a puffy sleeve. So you're going to use the largest straight stitch. You're going to grab a hold of the bottom thread. You're going to tighten it, and you're going to secure this down with another stitch. You're going to probably use a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch, and you're going to go ahead and sew that down. So here is the back view of it, and this is the side that we pulled that string to create that gathering stitch right there. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like what I'm dishing out, go ahead and subscribe.